Hi, this is WeLikeFire1 and got my first knife review here. So the knife I've got for you here is a Wenger Camper that I'm going to be reviewing. It's a knife that I got for Christmas. For those of you that don't know about Wenger, basically, because they're an odd company, but what it basically is that Wenger owns Victorinox, and Wenger don't make as many knives now because they're into Victorinox more. So this is still a Victorinox knife, but the brand and the logo is Wenger. So I still call it the Victorinox Camper, even though it is a Wenger knife. So I've just got it here. So let's get onto the sheath. So I've got a nylon sheath. This didn't come with the knife. It came with a different knife, but it fits it perfectly. It's got a belt loop on the back. It's not the strongest one, and the Velcro closure isn't very good as well. I mean, it doesn't stay in. Sometimes the knife can pull it off. So get into the knife. So I've got the knife here. It's got the red scales with the Wenger logo. I'll just get my magnifying glass. I don't know if you can see that, but see, it's like a round square, when Victorinox they're like a triangular. So there's the logo by Wenger, and just got a lanyard on it which fits around my wrist, so I can saw while holding. And then Victorinox comes with this little key. So let's get on to the main tool, which is the knife. A beautiful knife here. It's a bit dirty, as you can see, but beautiful, nice and sharp. It's not one-handed operated, but no, you can't see that. Very dirty actually. As you can see the logo. Yeah, there's a knife. Lovely. It's got it says here it's made in Switzerland, or the knife does, and it's stainless. Famous Victorinox stainless knives. Next main tool is the saw. Beautiful saw. Really, really nice. Just take a look at these teeth. Look at them teeth, they're just going to rip through it. And I've got this going through 2-inch logs, maybe a bit more. Beautiful, beautiful saw. Absolutely rips through. And it's a bit dirty as well. Oh yeah, it's nice. So let's get on to the other tools. So put the saw back. So here, which I originally, when I saw it in the display case, I originally thought it was a second knife, but it's not. It's a nail file. There you can see the nail file, and then there's nail cleaner on the top. But it was like that in the display case, so I thought it was a small knife, but it wasn't. So there's the nail file. Next one, can opener, nice and sharp blade, does work very, very well. Very nice and sharp. I haven't used this one yet, but it's meant to be a cracker. So I'm just moving the camera. But yeah, it's got a nice blade to it. Right, next we have got got a bottle opener with a small flathead screwdriver, which they said can also be used for prying and a bit of chiseling as well. And right at the bottom, don't know if you can see that down there, there's a wire stripper. Onto the back, got the lever punch. I was a bit ashamed that this one didn't have the hole in it, so it could be used as an awl, but still it's got it. It's not sharp, but it works. There's that one. Next item, corkscrew, just a main corkscrew, nice and sturdy, pretty long. Everyone's seen that on Victorinox's. Now on to the small items, which I struggle to get out. So here you've got the toothpick, the plastic flexible toothpick. The only thing about this one is, I don't know if this is on the Victorinox knife, but I don't know if you can see, but it's got that little lump there, about right there. You can see it with the magnifying glass. But that's something that I noticed from the Victorinox to a Wenger. But same old. These can be bought again, easily replaced. You can see it right there, that little lump. Yeah, right. And put this one back into the knife. See, they've just got these little slopes here. There. And what you can do is you can get another knife or a small like Phillips head or flathead, and you can stick it down in there, push it up very slowly, and the scales can come off. So that way you can clean the body of the knife or replace the scales. I haven't done it before. And the last item on here is the tweezers, which are very small. They're not they're the fathead ones, they're not thin, which means they can take out like splinters and ticks and stuff, but it's going to be harder than having thin ones. Very well made. All it is two bits of metal, then stuck together at this end and then bent over so they can fit down. But that's the last item, and this is the Victorinox camper, or the Wenger camper, and thanks for watching. See you soon.